guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Omar Hamid, and in this video I will show you how you can use formulas to calculate values in Microsoft Word. These formulas can include functions like sum or average or basic operators. So let's go into Word to see how we can do that. Here I am in Word and I have this table that contains the order details for a customer who ordered these items. So these are the 5 items that he ordered, then the price per unit and the quantity for each item. And I want to calculate the total for each item, then the total order amount for this order. So unlike Excel, if I go here now and I type equals, I can't select this cell to make this times this. Either I have to do it manually, 20 times 3 equals 60, and do it for all the cells, but this may take a lot of time. So instead I can use formulas by going into layout for the table and formula here. Then the formula will suggest for me to use the sum for the left, but I don't want to sum them, I want to multiply these. So the function will be product left, which is to the left of this cell. So it will give me 60. I can do this for all these cells by doing the same thing, going to formula and doing the same thing, or I can use the shortcut, which is F4. If I press F4, it will copy the formula from the previous cell above. So F4, it will give me 70, F4, 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 and now I have the total for each item. And now I want to calculate the total order excluding the tax. I will go into formula and it suggests for me sum above. I will go with this suggestion. It will sum all the cells above it. And here also I can choose a number format. For example, I can choose it to be percentage or 2 decimals, or for example here currency in dollars, and I want it to be in currency, so I will choose this and I will press OK. So it will give me the total before the taxes, which is $300. Now I want to calculate the tax amount, which is 15% on the $300. So I will go into formula, and here I have to multiply this cell by 15%. In order to do it, I have to know what's the name of this cell. So let me show you how you can name the cells in Word. Let me copy this table and paste it here, remove all items from it, and show you how the naming works here. So this is A1, this one is A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, because all of this is one cell merged together, A8 and A9. And here if I want to name this, it will be B1, this will be C1, D1, E1, here it will be E6, D6, and so on. But the trick is here. For this cell, it will not be E7, but it will be B7. Why? Because this is the first column and this is the second column, and the column is counted based on the same row and not based on the rows above it. So this is B7, this is B8, and this is B9. And now that we know how to name the cells of the table in Word, I will go into this cell and I will go into layout, formula, and now I know the name of the cell with $300, which is B7, and I want to multiply it by 15 over 100, which is the 15%, and I press OK, and here I have the tax. It will be $45. So now for the total order, I want to add the total order without the tax and then add the tax above it. In order to do that, I can't do the sum above because the sum above will sum all the cells above it, which gives the wrong answer. 645 is not the correct answer, it should be 345. So I will remove it, I will go into formula, and I have to write it manually by typing the names of cells. So B7 plus B8, and I will choose it to be in dollars, and here you go, $345. Using formulas to perform calculations in word tables will help you much when dealing with numbers. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.